There are some cases where you will want to change when and how a menu appears on your site. In this video, we will show you how to change your menu's title, move your menu to a different part of the page, and set the access level of your menu. To start, we need to go to Module Manager. Go up to the top of the screen and go to Extensions, and then select Module Manager. From here, we will select Main Menu. If you go to the front end of the website, you'll notice that the title Main Menu is at the top. This is confusing to some of our visitors because we're a restaurant and we're talking about food that's on our actual menu. So let's hide this title. Go back to the back end. On Show Title, click No. And now click Apply. Go back to the front end and click Refresh. Now the title is gone. Let's go back to the back end. We could leave the menu with no title, but that's a little bit confusing. So let's give it a different title and show it. So first, let's set Show Title to Yes, and then set Title to navigate our site. Now click Apply. Go back to the front end, and now click Refresh. Now, the menu is titled Navigate Our Site. Let's go back to the back end. There may be some situations where you don't want to show the menu on your site at all. This may be a case where you have a very simple website that's just one page, and you want to manage it through Joomla, but you don't want to display a menu. To do this, set Enabled to No. Click Apply, and go to the front end, and click Refresh. You'll notice that now the menu no longer displays, but we want it on our site, so we're going to put it back. Go back to the back end. Now set Enabled to Yes. We can also move the menu to another position on the Joomla page. Currently it's set to left. Let's set this to right instead. Now click Apply, and go to the front end. Now click Refresh. You'll notice that now the menu is on the right-hand side of the page. You may also notice that the style is slightly different. Our template is displaying menus differently on the right-hand side of the page than on the left-hand side. We're going to change it back to the left-hand side. Let's go back to the back end. Set Position to Left. If we had more than one menu on the left-hand side of the page, we could set the ordering of the menu. Since we don't, we'll just leave it at 0 for now. Finally, we can also set the access level of the menu. Currently, it's set to Public. If we wanted to only display this menu to people who are logged into the site, we could set it to Registered. When we do that and click Apply, and when we go to the front end and click Refresh, the menu now doesn't appear because we're not logged into the site. We'll cover site logins in a later video. For now, let's go back to the back end. Since we do wish to display this menu to everyone, let's set it to Public. And click Apply. Now on the front end, when we hit Refresh, the menu appears. Let's go back to the back end. When you want to change settings for your menu, you can do so in Joomla's back end. You can change your menu's title, where it appears, and who has access to it. You may have noticed that it says Module at the top. This is because menus are a type of module. A module is a small piece of content you can place anywhere on the Joomla page. We will be covering other modules in greater depth in the next chapter.